The cosmetic surgery, it is the surgery not just necessary to have a cosmetic appearance or the good looks. Even nowadays, it is helping the people to have a authoritative personality in the professional life also. So as a cosmetic surgeon, we are helping the people to have a perfect shape and the size of the body, so that confidently they can perform their duties through their bold attitude. So to obtain it, the important procedure what we routinely perform is the liposuction. The liposuction is the procedure, it is a simple procedure which is nothing but just we are removing the fat, the waste fat. It is a waste product of the body which got accumulated in the waste spaces of the body. So without any scar and all, through a small hole, we just aspirate whole fat and we remove the whole fat, and a perfect shape which is necessity in a corresponding part can be obtained. Like for example, you take example in a tummy. The tummy got projected because of the accumulated fat. Through a small hole, whole fat is obtained and the tummy can be rectified to the extent of 6 packs. Similarly, if you have a projected breast, the breast which is like in the case of a male which is appearing like a female breast, and this can be rectified within a half an hour without even anesthesia also. Okay, through a small hole, the fat content of the breast tissue can be aspirated and a perfect breast shape can be obtained. Similarly, other curves like the side curves, side humps, hips, butts, to have a perfect shape, just with an half an hour procedure, all the waste fat which got accumulated in these areas like the butts and the hips can be aspirated and the perfect shape can be obtained within an half an hour procedure it is. Okay, so not necessarily what the areas I told. Sometimes the huge breast, not only the problem of cosmetic problems, they are cumbersome. Even the patient to present in the society with a huge breast is a very difficult for only the people, those who have the breast, they know the problem. Not only the cosmetic problems, even like the physical problems like the heaviness, the maceration, infections, which are all cause the trophic changes, so which are all make the patient to present in the society is a difficult problem. With the liposuction, hold the content in a female huge breast. I am talking about the female. What and all the problems I said in a female huge breast. Okay, the whole breast content can be removed, and not necessarily the small breast. Normal breast can be maintained through the liposuction. Okay, so this is a very simple procedure. So the perfect shapes in any areas which are disturbed because of the accumulated fat can be obtained.